whenever they actually start playing, try to stay pretty close to the band, but try to get mostly like a little bit of band, but mostly half. I've learned you can just keep going for 30 minutes. No matter.
Smelling cows, pigs, or chickens right now? What am I smelling? Yeah. We've been here before. Joey told me all about it. It smells like money to the farmers, but what's it smell like to the rest of us? I'm not sure. That's bluegrass right there. Playing music with the smell of cow manure in the air. It's bluegrass is hell.
You say it smells like money out here.
I know. I've heard that one before.
Money.
Speak for yourself, buddy. Florida's beautiful.
I prefer the smell of salt in the ocean, yeah.
I live in North Florida now. I'm just bought 10 acres up there, not near people. We got springs in all directions. It's just wonderful.
You're my
But
new best
I'm glad to be
friend.
visiting you guys. I've never been able to see so far from standing in one position until I came to Kansas. It's incredible. I was like, dude, how far can we see right now? And Rex was like, well, with the curvature of the earth, you can see 16 miles. I'm like, shut up, you smart bastard. I didn't mean literally, but okay. But it's pretty incredible. You guys got a beautiful state here. The heart of America.
Amen.
high traffic area probably.
Yeah.
No, where do you guys think you guys could set up right there in the middle? You got plugins right there in the middle, right?
They'll just do a acoustic.
Oh yeah, no plugging in or anything.
You think the middle will be a good spot?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll go let Brett in, and well, I guess he can do the other way. He's just parking.
Is there a sink I can wash my hands in?
Right over there by that blue cooler.
Oh,
Got a big hand to carry a big horn.
That's the biggest guy out there.
No, wrong one.
It's the tallest one. I mean, the tallest one out of us.
Hi, Neil. Hi, Neil.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm waiting for my son.
Yeah. So he's just washing his hands, and then just right in the middle.
Yeah, it's in there.
That's the only restroom.
Yeah.
Just right there. I'm gonna wash my hands in that sink.
I said, well, these are real black clothes. And she said, well, they're yours.
Grandpa's cough accident at the senior center. What is about? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Alright, we'll get rid of them.
Okay.
I'll let Lori know.
Just leave them there.
Yeah, we'll leave them there.
That's
I don't know why, but
Billy.
I guess that would be a good way. Here, let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
like banjos?
Yeah, I'm half white.
I love banjos.
The white. Once we hear it, we're just like.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Stand in the center.
You want me to announce you?
Center.
You want me to announce you a little bit? Announce you?
It's up to you, bud. Wait for me.
Hello, everybody. I'm Derek from Back Home Media. I want to wish you all a happy 4th of July. This is Grandpa's Cough Medicine from Jacksonville, Florida. They're playing Garden City tomorrow night and then Elkhart Saturday night. We wanted to come have them play a couple songs for you and just wish you a happy 4th of July. Just, give us a signal when you're ready for us to leave. Grandpa's Cough Medicine from Jacksonville.
End it off with Respect to Shine. Play one of our original songs here. And then we'll call it a day. We appreciate y'all listening. Glad to come play for y'all, and happy Independence Day to you.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, our pleasure.
Glad to be here. Alrighty.
My clothes, they are all wet. My life's a total wreck. All my friends only are fighting back. My tanning is all muddy. My hands are bruised and bloody. I've got the worst headache I've ever had. 'Cause I didn't respect the shine. Should've stuck to beer and wine. If I had my druthers, I'd go right back in time and spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. There's no money in my britches, my finger might need stitches. I came real close to breaking up the band. I had to apologize to all the gals and guys who witnessed me so far out of hand. 'Cause I didn't respect the shine, should've stuck to beer or wine. If I had my druthers, I'd go right back in time and spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. It's true that only your liquor, it gets a good lots quicker, but it'll make you hang your head in shame. So respect that judder jar, don't tip it back too far, 'cause if you do, there's no one else to blame. I didn't respect the shine, should've stuck to beer or wine. If I had my druthers, I'd go right back in time and spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. I spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. Thank y'all. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thanks for listening, y'all.
Appreciate you guys.
Very good.